is the sauce of my sweet potato lasagna. I'm gonna grind it: cashew nuts, nutritional yeast, basil, olive oil, virgin olive oil, and oregano, and 1 teaspoon of salt to have taste. So you have to blender the sauce. I'm gonna make now the sauce. After peeling it, cut in thin slices. Mas kontrolado ko siya na nakaganito sa akin, nakaharap kaysa yung sa tagtapa. Super malapot ang ating sauce. Kailan coconut water. Ang sarap nito guys, super rich na aking super, pwede siyang palaman sa tinapay. Ang aking sauce ng sweet potato lasagna, super duper. So this is the finish of my sauce. I make my own sauce. It's a basil. I don't have sweet basil, so I use the Thai basil. 1/2 cup of basil. And 1/2 cup of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of oregano. What else? 5 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast, guys, not yeast, not the regular yeast for bread. It's a nutritional yeast. And lemon, oregano, and the cashew nuts. I make 3 cups of cashew nuts. Soak in a water. It's supposed to be overnight, but I soak it only 2 hours. That's why it's hard to, to make a sauce when the cashew nuts. It's not really soaked for long hours. Now it's the time to do the latag-latag. Kasi raw cashew nuts. Sinamahan ko lang siya ng konting roasted na cashew nut, pero mas masarap ang raw cashew nuts. It's more delicious when you use raw cashew nuts compare sa roasted. So, unang tapal. Ayan. sa gilid. Ayan. So I think I'm just gonna make 3 layers sweet potato lasagna, guys. Kasi ayoko naman siyang mag-overflowing. So this is for sweet potatoes already, 4 pieces. So I might gonna make another sweet potato. Buti na lang marami akong biniling sweet potato. Now, let's do the third layer. So before you add the third layer, of course, you gonna add again the sauce. Super sarap talaga. Para siyang ice cream, guys. The taste of my sauce is tastes like ice cream because it's cashew nuts. With oregano, basil, and coconut water. What else? Nutritional yeast. Nagsasayaw. Wala namang tugtog. Yan. So, add. Kulang pa yata. Bali 6 na sweet potatoes na, guys, ang aking na gawa na balatan. So, ayan. Patong-patong na lang natin siya dyan. So, okay na siya. On the top, you don't need to add another sauce to make it look nice. Then, when it's cooked, we're gonna put in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes to make it, you know, roasted, dark, a little bit brown on the top. So now, let's put the lid. And, of course, we're gonna program. Ang hirap, guys, ng super liit ng ng counter ng kitchen. Hindi ako makagalaw ng ayos. Kaya hindi ako masyado nagluluto. Kasi nga, ang problema, ang paggalaw dito sa kitchen, super liit. So, program 450 degrees Fahrenheit and cook your sweet potato lasagna for 30 minutes. So, 450. Salpak na yan. Ayan, okay na siya. Nakasalpak na. Ayan o, nakasalpak na siya, guys. O. Teka, pababain nga natin tong camera ka. Ayan o, salpak na siya. At ito naman, syempre, i-oven natin to kasi para ito sa ating organic fertilizer na ginagawa para sa mga organic halaman. Sa oven ko siya dinadry kasi wala tayong araw. It's winter time. So now, after 5 minutes, I have to turn it to low heat, guys. It has to be only 350 degrees Fahrenheit after 5 minutes. Yeah, it's 350 degrees Fahrenheit so you don't burn the bottom. So it's done already. So I'm heating it in the oven to make it roasted the top. Here you go, the cooked sweet potato lasagna, Merlinda's recipe. So, we're here in JCM.
Potato
Lasagna. Yeah, you can see.
Oh.
And I make the sauce. It's so yummy. It's cashew nuts, the sauce. Okay, Ron. Nakalak. Oh, wow. Is it carbonara? Mabuti na lang hindi carbonara niluto ko. Kasi kung carbonara, di dalawa sanang carbonara. Sweet potato lasagna. Very healthy lasagna. At ayan, ano yan? Salad-salad, may decoration pa. May decoration. Kanino yan sa'yo? Ay, ito sa'yo. So, here we go. Yan. So, Christmas na Christmas sila. Ako hindi ako naka-Christmas shirt. We're here in JCM Kitchen Three Shores. And we're gonna do the Simi Christmas party. This is not our final Christmas party. So, later. Ayan. Akala ko bibig ang gagamitin pang salo. Ay, magaling kaya ata magganyan eh. Ayan. Naka-Christmas color sila. Last week ako naka-Christmas color eh.
Pasensya ka na sa akin.
Eh, walang magagawa eh.
Ay,
Hindi man lang ninyo sinabi. Ang daming mga gustong pumunta na hindi nakapunta dahil nga...
ko sa'yo yung...
Wala akong na-receive na message sa totoo lang. Hindi mo na-send.
Ayan o, yan. Tingnan mo.
Wala akong na-receive. Unsent. Yan o, unsent yan o, pag ganyan.
Kaya nga, nung makita ko na...
Unsent, hindi mo na-send. Wala akong na-receive na message. Kasi kung message, nagre-reply ako.
Kaya nga, nung hindi ko ito napansin, na hindi pala nakas...
Ayan na ang... Nauna yung dessert bago yung main dish. Ano ba yan? O ayan, nakapang Christmas na rin ako.